Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Welcome my people, Dancehall skilla day here again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone alright. Now in the first video that I'm going to present to you, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that he is inside of a jail or a prison. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers, but if you listen carefully to the things that the person said in this video, you might get an understanding as to where the video had been recorded. In the video, the man also said some things that gave me the understanding that he claimed that he is innocent. And in my point of view, he is seeking justice. See? The man also said other things as well in the video, viewers and subscribers, that gave me other understanding about a certain situation that he said he is in. Yes, so I say, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think. Now, I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows inside of an old building. So the video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might find to be somewhat disturbing. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
After the system use public mischief, fabrication, false witness, which I can prove that when the trial was claiming to knowing me, I was in fact in prison, which means that I cannot be in two places at once. So that's clear. Now, what is not clear is why the system really want to get me out, so much so that they put me in a cell where at any time now it seems like it can collapse on me. So I'm gonna show what I'm really talking about. Now, since the earthquake, those cracks that you are now looking on, the cracks open a bit wider.
See, all in the whole building there, eh? Look,
which tells us that this is a dire situation. So the cracks open wider, which I am now afraid that this might just drop down on me anytime. And we're talking about GP, which build how long now?
He said GP.
So, you know, as an innocent man, I have to now lock in a cell where there is no toilet and no running water. So, this is those that you're looking on the ground. Those are concrete from the ceiling.
Oh, the flip them not talk like what they on the ground there.
Yeah, recently dropped. Just a short while ago.
The wall look like you have all asbestos.
Yeah.
Asbestos.
You know? So, you know, from 2006, I have been sending documents to almost everybody, every authority there is. And I know I can't get any justice. I know.
The people, me hear the man said 2006. Oh, a good while that, my people. Alright now, 2022. I tell you, my people, if this man really and truly can prove that he is innocent, now viewers and subscribers, then I hope that the necessary authorities will look into his situation. So me I say, yeah man, you see, because it has been proven worldwide that you have some people who had been wrongfully convicted, and you have some people who end up in jail or in police custody even though they are innocent. You understand? See? So you ever hear about a situation or these terms where they say you're at the wrong place at the wrong time, see me? Or maybe I just bad luck, as some people might say. You see me, I say viewers and subscribers, but let me know what I think about the things that he said, viewers and subscribers. And don't get me wrong, you know, I am not defending any criminals. You know. No, I'm not defend no one who commit any form of criminal activities. No, that's not me. You see? But I think it's really and truly hard to know that a person might be innocent and might have been wrongfully convicted or wrongfully put in jail for something that the person might not have done. You understand? So this video is being talked about on social media. So I just make you hear some things that the person said in this video. Alright? Alright, I'm going to move on to another topic. See, now I got information that a man had been shot and killed within the parish that is known as St. Thomas. That's within the country that is known as Jamaica on Wednesday the 29th of June the year 2022. According to information that I got, it is said that the man who had been shot and killed goes by the last name of Thompson. It is said that Thompson had been shot and killed at his home. According to more information that I got, it is said that sometime before or after 10 p.m. on Wednesday night, Thompson and other persons was on his veranda at his home when men entered the premises and the shots had been fired. See, now I also got other information about the person who died who goes by the last name of Thompson, but if you want to know those information, you can check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know if you ask. Alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, when it comes on to a video circulating on social media that shows a child or a baby who was wandering on the road somewhere within the country of Jamaica, and it is said that the child was out in the public without any parents and without any guardians, viewers and subscribers, you understand? And the child had been picked up by the police within the country of Jamaica. So viewers and subscribers, well, according to a news article that I read, I got the understanding that the news article said that no criminal charges to be laid against parents for that baby who was wandering on the road somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. Please bear in mind that situations can change in viewers and subscribers. So I say, but I give information according to how I got information about the situation right about now. You see me I say? Yeah, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the police within the country of Jamaica said that the child's father had been located, viewers and subscribers. And according to this news article, I got the understanding that the news article said that the police said that following inquiries made into the circumstances, the case was brought to a close after officers were satisfied that no intentional harm or neglect was meant to the child. Yes, I say, viewers and subscribers. So how the child end up wandering on the road or in the street somewhere in the country of Jamaica is still somewhat confusing to many people on social media, but I just get information according to where I got information. As I say. Anyways, the news article also said that the police within the country of Jamaica said that the necessary follow-up will be done. You understand me, viewers and subscribers, and other things have been said in the news article. So let's get information again according to where I got information, viewers and subscribers. So I say, yeah, I just saw me see it. Alright, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now I'm going to present to you a piece of an entire video that shows a female. Now in the entire video, a female said some things that gave me the understanding that she talked about a female who she said is her niece and that the female died. She also talked about herself and other things as well, viewers and subscribers. And one of the reasons why I am presenting a piece of the entire video to you is because the entire video is being talked about on social media. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to look and listen carefully to this piece of video that I'm going to present to you. And please bear in mind that in this piece of video, you can hear harsh language. So viewer discretion is advised. Observe and tell me what you think.
So, you know, say, my niece passed away. May her soul rest in peace, right? How we go back up now? Back up. When Jody go to hospital, we never really know what happened to her, you know. Jamaican Cardi B. I never know what really happened or what take place with her. So, we get a phone call from my sister. And right on the phone, my sister talked to me and said, Jody, the hospital, pray for her. She did on the phone and talked to me and I say, she hair colored or natural hair, it's colored. She said, yeah. Oh, you know that. I said, Raquel, really? I mean, I asked that. And I said, somebody just come up in my spirit with a colored hair, a natural color hair, color. So this something know some niece in the spiritual. Take a stop now and did and reach out to a couple of my friends them and say, yo, this and this are going on. Cause I don't know what is what already, you know, cause I don't pick. I can't really say nothing to nobody. Cause I don't know them I got have to say me weird and thing about me know what me know. But people me go tell them this. You see social media are blind on the eye. This TikTok, this Instagram. You see all of them social media on our eye are blind to everything. You see the physical body, and this is what everybody cares about. Who live fussy, who live hype life, a fancy life, who have more money than this and that. That no matter. That is nothing.
Listen, people.
And this are them something are blind on the year. Don't wanna be the celebrity. They wanna be this one, and this are all the devil are go rob and steal, you know.
Listen.
Because people now watch the spiritual aspect of life. I don't see physical part. Everybody I look on the physical part. You know. Oh, me pretty, me look good, me this, me that. But nobody now watch the spiritual part. As no found depressed and sad, I don't know what go on really, you know, sometimes I'll be, I know. People are like science and down left, right and center and don't even know. One don't protect on the spiritual surrounding.
I will not doubt those words.
And you see them scammer boy, they were out there. But them a scammer and them a chop line. And boy they were them a chop line and a chop client and a chop line. Enough of them in a cult. Enough of them in a cult. And if you don't take them money. Let me talk again. Enough of them boy they out there. We say them a chop line in a cult. I wanna not take them money. A problem.
You hear about blood money?
Come on, man. I want to not share. You see, all of them video they were leak.
Yep.
And me have access to my niece phone. And me a leak all of the video and me a make the video them. Because none of the other family members don't even know what going on and what take place with Jody. You hear me? So, me couldn't save her. And me a beat myself. And me a go show you say the video them wanna see with Jody. aka Jamaican Cardi B a go round and I no fake. And someone wanna run with it say a the mother poison her daughter and all these. Me know the truth how really happen. Me have proof, me have living proof. But it's hard, you see me?
People always talk.
Make this hard, can make me back my knees up, back left, right and center, and them attack my knees in a way where me did I watch the spiritual because I saw the boy like my knees spiritually. So me did I watch the spiritual part so the boy not come attack my niece and kill her. But you don't know what happened. A nurse them send in her room for finish her. My niece said that one day I come. My niece see it a come. I'm a mad girl. Me is a mad girl. I don't know if none of on my life right now know me. I don't know if Jody ever mentioned to me say I have a mad auntie who live in Canada. Me is a mad girl. Hey. Uno make sure say if you can save this and share it, uno save me and share it because me I come clear the ear to make people know say And me they behind the man. And me all this time. And me I do this. And me I send out all of the video them. Pan Cardi B. You see the part where you see the woman with the bucket on her head and the blood. And me. Everything was me. Everything was me. Me no know my niece boyfriend. I don't know her boyfriend. I don't know nothing about this boy. Me see my niece in a spirit world. Me go for her. Me bring her up. When my niece do the operation, the first time, her body swell up. Me said that not right. My niece get pregnant and what them say, the baby must see go up in a one wrong tube in her, so she have to operate and remove it. And right in the surgery, she go in on the 2nd of June. She born the 2nd of January. She dead on the 22nd of June. 2200 army time. Right? And she was 22.
What?
All of this was planned and synchronized. So come I know it was a cult. And because of when me go down in the spiritual realm for my niece and me see her. She was a blood sacrifice ritual for money. Money, ritual, blood sacrifice, expose. And boy I try shut up mouth and talk about like, yo, young girl out there, be careful, you know. I go tell you now. Me, I go tell you now a little part of my story. You know how me come to Canada? You don't know how me come to Canada? Me did a one dancer, exotic dancer. Yeah, and enough people are going to say, yes, me know that girl. And me come here and me change my life. But me married to a white boy. Think the white boy, they love me. Yeah, me was a sacrifice for him too. I escape me, I feel escape people. Me never strong and me never spiritual as me was. Me wanna die so right now I talk to him. Me was a blood ritual, money ritual. Man take me destiny from me. Take me use my panty, my brassiere and my pants. Him and him white family them. Car crash. When me I talk about car crash, when me I talk about every car crash, me I talk about sit down in a car, I drive car, and me I talk about spirit sit down in a passenger seat, a swing car for going a ditch with me. That's how me I talk about. Me I talk about crawling pan face, you feel like an answer sitting up. Me I talk about depression, me I talk about when you're in a house and want to kill yourself, suicidal. That is what I am talking about. All of these things are from the devil, demons. There are demonic people out there that do cult ritual for money ritual. Then take people, girl pick me and turn in a kufenke. Me know me look like a kufenke, you know. I saw you go. Can't stop here. I saw you things set. But then something that open up my eyes. Me no come as so you know clout and no like for no. You see me no come and me am big man. And if a boy or a girl no like come here, I say then go suck their mother. No way they put me like me should not say them things about. I don't even know all this Instagram. So me never there have no clout. Me just come to clear the air and make you know people know. And stop run with my sister name I talk about. What is this girl? Mommy! My sister do a call me. I say, Pat, something not right with Jody. Jody the hospital too long, swallow. And upon the phone me there and I say, oh Jody, her hair in a red. She color her hair. And I say, oh the boy and bread coming on nothing about no man what she doing. We don't know nothing about no boy. For the toilet seat me there, I say, oh the boy with the plat up. And then say, oh the boy. And I say, oh him. And then say, oh what? And I say, oh what kind of thing that Jody gonna miss with? Cause I see him think me going up to with the white boy. I mean, you know, say my husband in a cult. Till me start find my clothes missing. Them start take my clothes from me, all kind of things start go on with me. Nightmare. Them give me a spiritual husband every night. Somebody a me in my sleep. These things need to be talk and spoken. People keep quiet. When people overcome them obstacle and them hurdle, them keep quiet. And them no want to talk about it. Oh, make it stay done gone already. Make it go on. People need to open their mouth and talk to other people. Girl people, get in it and no go. And I walk the same part where them walk. People need to talk and open social media. Me come here right now upset. Me there work all day. And frazzle out and thing cause a whole heap of thing I go on and my niece dead. I'm gonna save my niece, but you see if me did have another phone, me call me higher. Where would I call him now? A name with somebody with my master. Would I call it my master? Where I teach me certain levels in this spiritual realm. You see me?
Jano, my people and I raised still, Social media blind some way, Yeah man, social media blind some way. So me I say, yeah, you see, if you should ever hear some things that some people go through in our life, you see, a lot of us would really and truly look within ourselves and think back on our life and realize that a lot of we have it good. I mean, I say everybody have it good, but a lot of us have it good comparing to some things that some people go through. You see me and say, yeah man, because some people really and truly have to fight if you have just a little life, while some people just get it all, and some people don't get none at all. If you enjoy life, the fact that you're alive is enough to give thanks for. So me look on things, so me I say. Anyways, my people, so the entire video is being talked about on social media, and I'm talking about the entire video that I got this piece of video from and present it to you, so me I say. And I present that piece of video to you so that you can hear some of the things that the female said, and you can also let me know what I think, viewers and subscribers, you understand? And it's really sad to hear some of the things that the female said in the video, viewers and subscribers. And it's when it comes on to this cult and blood sacrifice and all them things there, I don't want to know if them things they really and truly work. I don't want to find out nothing about them things there, my people. See, because in my point of view, them things they're wrong, viewers and subscribers. So I don't even want to know if them things they work. Moon mind if me not hear about them kind of things there no more. Moon mind if them things they not exist. You understand me? Yeah man, and I really see it. So you can let me know what I think about the things that the female said in that video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. You can tell me if you believe her or if you don't believe her, and you can tell me overall what I think about the things that she said. Alright? And here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up, you see. Hey my youth, you know where you watch.